Let's move on now to a company we haven't heard much of, the FitShot, and two new smartwatches by them, the Axis and the Crystal. So 450 nits of peak brightness, 125 plus sports modes. So it's got quite a bit going for it, but here's the problem. So do another 100 smartwatches. And then the FitShot Crystal comes in with a metallic body, 1.8-inch AMOLED screen, 60 Hz refresh rate, and suddenly it starts to look a little different. Take a look at these two smartwatches and tell me, what do you think?
Watches have evolved and become a must-have these days. You could be an entrepreneur, an athlete, a coder, or even a corporate worker. A smartwatch is a great partner in executing your daily tasks. FitShot, a lifestyle consumer electronics brand, has recently expanded its smartwatch portfolio by introducing two new watches, FitShot Axis and FitShot Crystal. Smart wearables are in great demand thanks to a growing population of millennials and students who are far more health conscious than their previous generations ever were. 1 minute you're taking a stroll in the park and the next minute you're receiving data about your current health vitals. Smartwatches have come a long way. Take the FitShot Axis. It's so stylish and sporty. The 100 customizable watch faces, what a great way to fit variety. A square display of 1.52-inch full touchscreen and the resolution rests at 240 by 283 pixels. The 450 nits of peak brightness performs satisfactorily under sunlight. The body of the smartwatch feels bold and sturdy with adjustable straps provided for all wrist sizes. It fits right onto your wrist and can be used with the Zeroner app, which is compatible with both Android and iOS. You can choose from over 125 plus sports modes this watch provides. It has everything from walking, dancing, badminton, strength training, etc. that will definitely give you the push you need to pursue your fitness goals. A new and exciting feature we loved here was how accurate the inbuilt Force satellite system is. Users can now store data for real-time path, speed, and distance of the workouts. It also allows users to view route maps and has an inbuilt compass. The saying "get lost in the right direction" might just have been for this watch. After all, it has GPS tracking. The wearable also supports social media notifications. All this comes with a performance-driven battery. The 580 mAh battery gives it juice to last up to 15 days on medium usage. And now let's get to our next smartwatch, the FitShot Crystal. The metallic body is authoritative and yet the curved edges of the display lend a certain softness to it. A 1.8-inch AMOLED screen gives 560 nits of peak brightness and makes the screen look majestic. The display resolution is obviously better than FitShot Axis at 368 by 448 pixels. Because of AMOLED screens, the display is colorful and sharp. The 60 Hz refresh rate is just the cherry on top. The smartwatch is competition ready on many fronts. FitShot Crystal's watch face can be scrolled with a rotary knob. Talking about fitness and health, this smartwatch is equipped to handle about 100 plus sports modes, aimed at promoting strength. Cardiovascular activities like dance, cricket, ballet, running, boxing are all trackable. Not just high performance, but also medium to low core activities like cooking, skateboarding, meditating, playing instruments and gardening can also be tracked. It has an always-on display and raise to wake feature. The battery is a tad smaller at 330 mAh and can last for just under a week. Post the pandemic, the world reorganized itself into a far more fitness-conscious and well-being-driven generation. The importance of health has led to the rise of fitness hobbyists who are inspired by long-standing athletes. A smartwatch can help you bridge that gap, and both these watches carry the ability to help you in your fitness goals. There are built-in 24-hour heart rate sensors, SpO2 monitors, sleep trackers, and step counter monitors. These trackers help you identify any change within your basal activity that can correlate to any symptoms that you might be facing. There are other features here as well, call reminder, schedule reminder, application push reminder, alarm clock, etc. The sync is effortless with the Hevo Fit app. An advanced Bluetooth calling gives the smartwatch the edge it deserves. Let's talk price points for a minute. FitShot Axis is priced at Rs 4,990, and under 5K this watch does have a lot working in its favor. Big battery, ample sports and wellness features, health trackers, and the GPS. FitShot Crystal is priced at Rs 3,999. A metallic strap can be additionally purchased from their website. Here too the upsides are noteworthy: a 1.8-inch AMOLED display, the calling feature, an inbuilt speaker and microphone, all whilst donning a superior design. It's not just the features that count here, it's the simple and effortless execution and user experience. We definitely recommend it if you're under a budget, because truly all of this under 5K is a great value for money.